Yo, what's good YouTube gang? You know what we're dealing with today? The Dan is back in the building. Let's see who we are dealing with today now, man. You see me? Yeah, man. What we I say? The queen or the princess of dancer, right? And also, it's debatable. The queen or the princess of dancer right now. You see me? But it's debatable, but we can agree upon this is a damn good artist, one of the best female artists out right now in the dancer. You see me? Our girl. My girl, Fui girl, you see me and say you don't know say on the channel, no man. You see me and say you don't know we are talking about already. We got Shenseea. You see me? And the one name Neva Neva. I'm gonna check it out and see what she deal with today. You see me? Lately Shenseea been on her shit with Die For You and Tie Me Up. And she been on the road. She trying to win back the yard audience. You see me? She trying to win us back. That mafia gang. She trying to win us back, dog. You know, she kinda. You see me? She kind of didn't neglect the yard audience. You see me? I say, but she trying to win her hearts back, man. Let's see if she can do it. You see me? She a drop tune leading up to her new album. Oh, you know what I'm saying? I mean, actually, I heard this damn new video is pretty lit. Maybe she do some things what wouldn't approve of in the video. I'm gonna check it out and see where she depend. I'm gonna make her know about herself if them think they true. Okay? You know, they can't cross the boss. You see me? I say, gang. So, well, no man, we're not jumping in our video right now. So, she do this. Shenseea. You see me? I say, gang. Yeah, man. The one I name, Neva Neva. Neva Neva. Let's check it out. Let's get it, gang.
All massive and cool, this one here, the number one anthem in the world. So I say when it's come on. Lovers rock.
Boy, Lovers rock. Check, give them some old school vibes in the one there. Alright? Make sure some follow my everything I go on. Shen, curly hair Shen. We could say you better come right, you know.
Me shoulda know from the beginning you are trouble now. Me shoulda never give you none of me love now. You got me sick up all I sip up on a double cup. Let me emotional to editing, but
what you mean, mama? What you shoulda know is I am trouble from the beginning. She never give you none. What you mean? I decided you want to stop going so. Hey, what's up?
but now you know so me I think about tonight and that day. Love you, don't know what else to say.
Yeah.
Try forget the thing, turn it night, turn it day.
What is Bonnie and Clyde shit there, pun? Alright. But I like it. Look how dancehall, old school 90s dancehall feel. I like that. You see that?
That's what me hope and pray. Oh, I'll never say never. Oh, baby, I know better.
Yeah.
No more pretending. This thing I never ending. I never.
Bomba. She said she never say never. Never say never. Can you never? Listen what
Say never. Me no have to feel no pressure.
Yeah.
Oh, from the beginning. This thing I never ending. Never.
our thing is never ending. I mean, Shen, our thing is never ending, mama. I don't know. We got a long thing going on. You see me? Then you tell them, then you tell the video that's a leak. You see me? They don't know how we are going. Dan Mafia. Tell them, say Dan Mafia, the real man for your life, no man. Yeah, man. Video go on, them like the vibe. You see me? Them have some mad Bonnie and Clyde shit. Them rob a bank. Yeah? Alright.
Never, 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 no. Never, 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 no. Never, 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 no. Never, 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 no. See what we have is a story like.
Boy, hey, boy, don't get too close to me. I'm tell you. You see me? That mafia tell you don't get too close to our girl. You see me?
You can't fake it. If them don't know we business, them can't break it. And them don't know it's not a game, so them can't
Hey,
play me.
Pretty like a money, bombard, come in, man. Yeah, man, she take it to a whole different level. Woman rap up in her money and say, like, just, hey,
I'm a miracle by your body, I'm a baby. I know you know, so me, I think about tonight and that day.
Yeah.
Love you, don't know what else to say. Try forget.
Watch your boy, come on, hey. I will cast the brother here, dog. Hey, Ramich, hey.
Things turn it night, turn it day. That's why me hope and pray.
Hey, no, dog. Me a bad mind the youth, big man thing.
Never say never. Oh baby, I know better. Want no more pretend.
And then upon the fairy tale love thing in the maze and sitting. Me see the visual shock try come in that soft girl era. Yes, Shenseea, I bring back the soft girls. You see me and say we tired of these titty girls and these sexy reds and these what the other one name? We look like Lil Wayne. She name so. See, she name Sexy Red. What the other one name? The other one name, man. The Glorillas and them. Yeah, man. We tired of them, man. Yeah, man. We must stop there.
This thing I never ending. I never say never. Me no want to feel no pressure.
Yeah.
Oh, from the beginning.
Yeah, man. Mama say never say never, man. She don't feel the pressure from the beginning, man. Yeah. No pressure, mama. Yeah, man. Come to you. See me all a vibe and relax yourself and see how you do it on the side. Yeah. See me, I say, yeah, no.
This thing I never ending. Never, 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 never. No. Never, 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 never. No. Never, 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 never. No. Never, 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 no. They shoulda know from the beginning.
I like it, but for some reason the video yeah give me shoot long time. For some reason. Visuals good enough, but I give me shoot long time.
You are trouble now. Me shoulda never give you none of me loving now. You got me sick up while I sip up on a double cup. Make me emotional.
Yeah, man, you got your sick, your strong, sip on a double cup, man. So, yeah, man, so you have to stress out when we left. Yeah, man, if you mark down, we come and lose the weight, man.
The way the thing bubble up. I know you know some me I think about tonight and that day. Love you, love you, love you, don't know what else to say. Try to forget the thing turning eternity. That's
Mama says she want her thing turn in eternity. That mafia. I wish I seen she don't mind the brother every day, dog. I wish I thought that.
why me hope and pray.
Ah, go on, I can't flashback to this. That's some dream thing, you know. That's some dream thing, you know.
That's why me hope and pray. Yeah. Never say never.
Hey, wait, bumbuck. Hey, how you just do, sir? How you just do? None of that. Yo, we done with you. Don't, we are burn you out. We are burn you out. Hey, Shena, that's really gonna do that. That's really gonna do. Pan. Jesus internet, brother. That's really gonna do. In Shen?
That's why me hope and pray. Yeah.
May I pray you. Me I pray you, Shen. Me I pray you, dog. Big man thing. Big man.
Say never. Oh baby, I know better. Want no more pretending. This thing I never ending. I never say never. Me no want to feel no pressure.
I pray you, man. You see me? We are pray Shen, man. Hey, I want to know clip this. And send her and tag her, thank Shenseea and send her deep. Me I pray you. Why if you do that? Why if you do that, my wicked? Hey.
Oh, from the beginning, this thing I never ending. Never, no. Never, no.
Never say never. Yeah, man, video go and still look a vibe like the 90s, right? Yeah, see me and dance all. I guess this is a single. Just a little preview of a trap. I'm like this song.
Never, no. Never.
Yeah, Shenseea still I make the song about love and them thing, yeah. You see me? Yeah, I make song about rap but out. So she's still out here making songs. She's one of the few artists that talk about last song, you know. When she or Chanel Murray, I hear nothing about no blow song. Right with Spice now make no love song. You see me Spice around me want Puffy about 20 years more on the song. Yeah, man. Big up Shen. Should I get back to her, you know? It's a vibe. I like it. Yeah, man. We're tired of these city girls and these. Nah, so we're tired of the throat goat them still, but we're tired of the rat bats. You see me? The girl are doing so, man. Time for we get back some normal, wholesome-ish girls. You see me? I say I talk about some girlish topic, bro. Some, you know what I'm saying? Some nice, some love things, some. You know, not still being sexually seductive, but not to be too brawling or too much with it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. That's why she feel like she win now and she gain back the people. Again back the people them, I would say like support. You see me what I say? Yeah, man. Tell Shenseea to keep on the track with shop. You see me what I say? She release a love tune and thing. Back in the early 2000s before everybody You know? So can swallow everything then come cross, man, do the free beat. Everybody I try out freaky, everybody. You see me answer? Yeah. So big up Shenseea that. Two them are go on. Soft girl like find more females gravitate towards this kind of every year out you know? Yeah. We get out here and hear the brawling way them. Which, you know, sometimes it can be fun in certain settings. Probably maybe, you know what I'm saying? But yeah man. You notice girls them always try to keep it girl and classy, always win. That's why Beyonce won, that's why Rihanna won. Even though, you know, a lot of people say Rihanna is a rare, you know. Even the girl Tyler right now, you see me, Thames, all of the females them were, you know, more feminine and more, all of them win. But when you see like all the city girls them, you see me, you have the Glory lads, the Sexy Red, the Sukianas, all of them just come and gone. I might not really rate that. People will hype them for, you see me? But I don't really rate that. When it comes to the girl, good girl, I'm going to live here, man. You see me? Or the girl, I'm at least try and pretend. You see? But anyway, girl, we don't think about the one day. You see me? I say, I don't know. You put the comments in the comment section. Like it, I'm going to show the artists some love and support, even though we're not too agree with the video. We don't like how Shenseea moving on. I can't do that to it. You see me? But still have a support. You see me? I say, hopefully she learn from her mistake. Don't do that again. As I mentioned, if you tag her now, don't do that again. Don't make it happen. I'll give her one time pass, but don't make it happen again. You see me answer? Yeah, man. We know the comments in the comment section. We know the thoughts, all that dropping requests. You don't know. Till next time, gang. It's a boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. You guys.
On the play my DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.